Alright, hi everybody, and welcome to, well, I think probably the most special video that I've ever had to film. Right, as the title says, I'm looking for help, volunteers, friends, whatever you want to call it, and in front of you can see the reason why. So last week I was approached by a fella from a casting agency. Said he'd seen my modelling, things like that, and would I like to feature on a television series. Some of you may have heard about it, especially if you went to the London show at the weekend. He was there. But basically there's a TV series coming out, the Great Model Railway Challenge, and various modellers have been selected and had the opportunity offered to them to feature on the show, and luckily and very thankfully I've been selected. So what this is aiming at, to be on the television series you need a team of 6 modellers behind you to compete. Now I've asked various friends, whatnot, but I thought I'd put a video on here, see see who'd be interested, anything like that. So like I say, I'm looking for 5 extra people. It's for a team of 6 and 5 slots are open for anyone who thinks they might be interested in joining my team. Now it does need a quick turnaround, ideally before the end of this week, to have a team in place and a team sorted. Bit of information for you. So the filming will take place in London, which is nowhere near me, and I fully understand it won't be anywhere near a lot of people. But the filming is in London, and we'll be required to stay in London for 3 days for filming. Travel, overnight, everything like that is all paid for by the production company. The only thing you need to rearrange or arrange is being available on the dates selected. Excuse me. Now the proposed dates I've been given to tell my team is between May and June. Now it's a kind of mid-June, I think it's around the 16th of May to early June. Now in between those dates, 3 of those dates will be our filming days. Now as it stands, I don't think the exact 3 days have been proposed for each team as yet. So all you need to know at the minute is, would you be free between mid-May to early June to come to London for 3 days filming for the Great Model Railway Challenge? Now I want to put my email address in the description or maybe in a comment, and if you're seriously interested, this isn't for mucking around or anything like that, this is a serious big thing. If you are seriously interested in joining the team and you like the sound of this opportunity, then drop me a comment, let me know you're going to email, and then we can sort it out. Like I said, I haven't got long, maybe a week tops, to try and sort a team out, in and around these dates. So whether you've messaged me before, commented before, whatnot, anything, if you're someone that I know and I've spoken to for a lot of years on here, then that's absolutely great and fantastic. If you're someone who's new but who I think is a good asset to the team, or whatnot, still message, and if there's spaces I'll let you know. If there's not and you're too late, then I'll also tell you that. But yeah, at the minute, free between May and June for 3 days in London. I'm nowhere near London, but I'm going to do my best to try and make it happen. It's a wonderful opportunity, and if you think so too, then please message, and we'll see what we can do. A quick lowdown on what's going to happen. So the first 3 days filming are like group stages, heats, and all the various teams will go against each other to build a layout. It's rather a large layout, I think it's 8 foot by 6 foot. We have access to everything, Hornby, Batman, Pico, materials, everything. and yeah, it's a 3-day challenge to build a layout, and then up against each other, the other teams and the groups. If we're successful in the group stages and we make it to the finals, there will be a second block of 3 days filming in London again. Now the casting agent I've been speaking to has said there is some leeway on the dates to film the final, so it could be, you know, a couple of weeks after, maybe a few days, I don't know. But if we get to the finals, it'll be another 3 block days in London filming. So these are things you need to bear in mind. You know, it is 3 days in London. If you're nearby and can travel every day, that's fine. If not, like I say, expenses are paid for. So yeah, it's, you know, it sounds like a brilliant thing to be involved in. I've been trying to clear up details and things, what I've needed to know before I've released this video. But seriously, only get in touch and message if you are serious. Like I said, there's 5 slots open, and you know, if 6 of us who all know each other on here and things like that, or people I've known for a while, can go down and do this, then you know, it sounds pretty good. And I think that's it. I think that's everything you need to know. Yeah, right, I want to upload this because we need to get it sorted. The email address will be in the description or a comment, and please be serious, please. You know, yeah, so I look forward to hearing from you, really do. And then next video we'll talk about the new layout, but for now let's concentrate on this. So hope to hear from you all. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.